Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Wells Fargo account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Wells Fargo bank account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And after opening your browser, click on the search bar and type in the address wellsfargo.com, and after that hit on enter, and then you'll be redirected to the home page of Wells Fargo over here, guys. Now in order to log into your or proceed to log into your account, first you'll be required to choose the category of your Wells Fargo bank account type. Either it's the investing and the wealth management, or the small business, or the commercial banking. There is a login page for each of these account types, but we'll be just going to the personal. So guys, let's click on the personal, and you can see, guys, there are the checking, saving and CDs, credit cards. You can check these out as well if you want to, but we'll be just proceeding to the login process. So in order to log in, guys, enter your username over here, and after that enter your password over here, with which you have signed up for a Wells Fargo account. But guys, you have forgotten your username or your password, you can already set or recover your username or your password from this button where it says the forgot username or password. If you click on that button, you will be taken to a procedure where you will be able to reset or recover your username or your password depending upon which one you lost. And with that being said, guys, after entering your username and your password, simply click on the sign on button available over here, and then you'll be logged into your Wells Fargo account on your PC online. And there, guys, this is how you log into your Wells Fargo account online on your PC. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.